What's up? Good morning, everyone. We are back at it. Today is the 18th of June, 2026. I'm about to analyze the Nasdaq, trying to figure out the daily bias. That's what's up. That's what's up. That's what's up. Let me give y'all some sauce. As you can see, yesterday we were looking for price to tap this new week opening gap. And it did, right? It did not really go as planned. Wait, we are on the daily time frame. That's yeah. It didn't really go as planned, but it did hit the new week opening gap. So what are we looking for now? Honestly speaking, I want bearish. Okay, first of all, because right, look at this right here, bro. We have a nice inversion. Right. Yes, the inversion was there yesterday as well. Why weren't we bullish? Because price almost always fills this new week opening gap. Right. So that's why we were bearish like that. And let me check this out. Let's see. Let's pull out our GAN box. I don't think so. Yeah, it didn't really hit that 50%. Yeah, it didn't. So obviously we are bullish right now because we have taken out this liquidity, which was this somewhat internal liquidity on this time frame, which was the new week opening gap, right? So I'm expecting price to deliver higher, previous day high type thing, previous, well, probably like last week. Yeah, whatever. Yes, now these are our new targets for these are our new targets for um this leg right here, this leg that's about to happen right now, right? So yeah, let's hop onto the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we have this previous day low. Actually, this is Monday's high. Sorry, high. We have that high right there. Ding ding. We have this high right. I don't want to say previous day high, but it's a swing high. It's a nice swing high. Let's also mark this out. This new week opening gap. So as you guys can see, it has been filled. What are we looking for? We are looking for buys. I'm honestly looking for some bullish market structure right now. Right? Price yesterday didn't if you if you saw yesterday's video, you would notice that we were targeting these um highs right here, but price didn't take them out like we had anticipated. This is a nice 1 hour. Oh wait, it's a 4 hour IT age, 4 hour intermediate high. Let me mark it out. Oh wait, so yesterday we were in this 4 hour fair value gap, right? So now we will be targeting this 4 hour intermediate high. Obviously, I mean, I don't want to marry my bullish bias as of yet. I mean, you know, I don't want to like be a crazy press buy, but this I'm still analyzing. Okay, we haven't determined our bias yet. Let's analyze, right? We have we have in our mind, at the back of our minds, that price filled the new week opening gap, right? We have at the back of our mind price inverted on the daily time frame, right? We have in our mind that there's a 4 hour intermediate high right there. I'm gonna go ahead and label this previous day high. Okay. Now let's move on to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, what do we have? I wish that there was a nice fair value gap here. If there was a nice fair value gap, price would have inverted it, giving us, more bullish sentiment, but there isn't. So let's chill, okay? Let's chill. We have this nice 1 hour fair value gap, right? We had anticipated that price would have taken it out yesterday, but things didn't go as planned. So we have that. We also have a nice, well, price already hit this 1 hour fair value gap, right? That's the leg. So we have a 1 hour intermediate low. Will price come and hit that 1 hour ITL? I don't. Okay, okay, okay. It would be nice if price hit that 1 hour intermediate low, right? It would be nice because it would be nice, take out some buyers, like price would like come get some buyers into, right, tap some buyers in and then start um looking for buying market structure, some bullish market structure. It would be nice. I don't think I'm asking for a lot, but it's quite high resistance. I don't know if price will go on and take it out. So let's analyze. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame. What do we have? Oh wait, the 4 hour intermediate high is also a freaking previous day high, dude. That's a good draw on liquidity, you know. Let's mark it up, right? So like that's a nice um point to target. Although I feel like price might not be on my side today. I think it's going to go on and take those out before I can have a say, or like, you know what I'm saying, bro. But I'm not tripping. I'm not tripping. Who's tripping? I'm not tripping. We have also a nice low, London session low right here. Mm-hmm. Um, I'm kind of in between, dude. I'm really just in between. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Honestly, I want to be bullish, right? But think about it. If I'm bullish, what are my targets? I'm targeting this guy. The low hanging fruit, guys. Ish. This guy. I'm targeting this guy. Obviously, this guy. Right? Price has already taken out two of those during pre-market. So now I'm left with this guy, which is the 4 hour intermediate high and the previous day high. And we also have that freaking 1 hour fair value gap from yesterday, or rather from the day before. We also have a 15-minute fair value gap, 15-minute order block from yesterday, right? I want price to hit those highs, but how can I capitalize on price hitting those highs? Do I want I obviously don't think price has any reason to go down. Honestly, I don't. I don't see anything. The new week opening gap is filled. Mm, I don't see it, man. I want to go higher. I honestly do. Even if maybe we're not really going higher to all-time highs, obviously, but I would love to go high and take out these um call it, I don't know, yeah, internal liquidity, this internal liquidity pool right here. I would like to see price take them out, right? Okay, so in that case, what am I looking for still? I would want to see price. Okay, let's do something like this. Let's see. Ding, ding. 231 points. That's sick, bro. I don't think I would. I don't think I'm gonna get it, but that's what I would like to see. For price to take out these lows, right? And then start going higher, you know. Do I think it's gonna happen like that? Probably. Probably not. But yeah, I mean, thing is, ne, I don't want to look for sales at all. I don't see why price would sell, right? You could say maybe price would want to sweep this liquidity pool and start going down. But I mean, the reason I wanted that to happen yesterday is because we had a new week opening gap, right? So I know how much the new week opening gap means to the market. Like, it means a lot, you know. It's a great draw on liquidity to target or to use as um a bounce, you know, price bouncing off of it or whatever the case may be. But that's why I don't want sales, because I don't see enough low resistance liquidity to the downside. If price were to hit this internal liquidity pool first, you know, take everything out, like, let me draw it out. Like, if price were to come, you know, obviously maybe play around a bit, and then um doing market opens, swing it, like, wrecks the roof out of this place. Yeah, would I want to sell, look for selling opportunity to these lows? I don't think so, man. I really don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think that would be a great idea. I don't think that would be a great idea. I would rather want to see price do this instead. You know, price pulls up, doing, and then this, and then market opens, price sweeps the internal lows, right? And then gives us a nice, you know, wherever the inversion would be, and then start going higher. That's a great. This is what I would want to see, right? For me, this looks better than the selling. The yeah. I don't want shorts. I want longs, man. I want longs. I want to buy, right? There's no reason for me to sell. There really isn't. Okay, yep, that's it for today. Short, sweet, but full of energy. That's my analysis for 18 June 2026. I am looking for bullish setups, right? And yeah, man, like, share, subscribe, and have a great one. Comment what you guys thought, what you guys think, because yeah, man, I am a genius, but I'm not that smart. Peace.